Hey y'all, let's get into some makeup. I have not done my makeup in so many weeks. Like, I don't even know when the last time I did my makeup, but let's go ahead and get into some makeup, okay? Period. If you're new to my channel, what you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad, because we be slaying over here, okay? Period. Because I slay, hey, I slay all day. I slay, we slay, hey, we gon' slay. Okay, y'all. But yeah, so let's get into some makeup. I had went in with my moisturizer and prepped and primed my face. I got sent some Evian facial spray. I ended up getting a facial spray and then a glow spray. So I'm super excited to be trying out Evian. Hey, I'm an Evian girly. Like, they had contacted me like, we'll send you these products, la 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 la. So I'm like, yes, go ahead and send me those products, okay, period. And I love the packaging. It's like super pretty, super pretty. Shout out to Evian for sending me these products. I also got some products from Anua. I'm about to do an unboxing with y'all real quick before we get into makeup, because my package just came and I'm so excited to dig in. Let's see what I got. OMG, I'm super excited. Thank you. Yes Styles had partnered with Anua to send me these products for free. So yeah, shout out to them. Okay, oh my god, y'all, look at this. Okay, so let's get into my package real quick. I got moisturizer cream. Okay, I got me some new moisturizer. Hey, shout out to Anua, got me some moisturizer. Also got a sunscreen. And then they also sent me a niacinamide serum. Yes. Oh, I cannot wait to get my hands on these pads. I had literally made a video at Ulta. I'm like, people have been raving about these and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. Like, I cannot believe that they actually sent me these. Super dope. This is the Anua brightening pads with niacinamide. Last but not least, they sent me their brightening collagen mask. Ooh, I cannot wait to try out these new products. Thank you, Anua. Thank you, Yes Style. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. For primer, I'm going in with the Nessamyrix Blurring Balm Powder. Just in my T-zone area. So yeah, for foundation, I'm super excited to be trying out a new foundation from Estee Lauder. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this foundation. I ended up getting 5 in 1.5 Maple Deep. And I used the Ulta app to help me pick out this foundation shade. So let's see if it's the right one. Y'all, this is literally the perfect shade match. Hey, I'm so happy. Because I hate when I don't get the correct shade. But this one is literally a perfect shade match. You can use the Ulta app to find your perfect match. It's basically just gonna go based off a foundation that you already have. So I based it off one of my other foundations and it came up with this color. 10 out of 10, recommend. Ooh, I love the way that foundation just blended out like butter. Flawless. Okay, so now it's time for concealer and concealer, I think I'm going in with Born This Way in Sand. So now I'm going in with Morphe Cream Bronzer Stick. This is shade Sudden Heat. I love bronzer, especially cream bronzer, warm up that face. So I'm gonna let my concealer sit and blend out my contour first. Now I'm gonna blend out my concealer. So now it's time to set my cream bronzer. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and did my brows, and before I move forward with everything else, I'm pretty much almost done. I just gotta do setting spray, finishing touches, and eat. So I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Impeccable Setting Spray. So y'all, for lip liner, I'm going with Morphe Trendsetter. And now I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Place lipstick. Ooh, this lip combo is. Ooh, now I just gotta pop on some lashes. Let me do my little finishing touches. Finishing touches. Okay, so I'm about to put my lashes on, but first I'm going in with the Maybelline, with that Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara. So y'all, I'm about to go in with this Morphe Blush Trio, cause I don't know, I just feel like I should have went in with some red powder to match my lips. I low-key want to use some of this too. Just a little bit. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I literally slayed my makeup. Like, the lip combo is eating. It's tea. Yes, love my hair. It's slaying per usual. Hey, I love it. Make sure y'all smash the like button, period. Comment down below if you love this look, period. Hey, love it. 8, period. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.